Hello friends, today we are gonna see like AI landing page.ai, the website, the platform, the AI tool that allow you to build AI landing pages. And this is for effortless website creation. You can generate landing pages quickly with AI. This is fast, effective, and simple. Here you can type your business name and here you can describe your business, you know and smart copywriting, responsive design you will receive, and one click publish, so you can launch your landing pages in seconds. And this is also SEO optimized, so built-in tools to rank higher on search engines. So a lot of things you can get on one single platform. So how we can do it? So here, for instance, if I type my business name like Irza Fatma IT Institute. So is an example they have written as a placeholder text of this field, like I am a freelance graphic designer who creates brand identities, logos, and marketing materials for startups and established companies looking to refresh their visual identity. So I will write here like I am running a business, an IT business, and my services are including web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital media marketing. So here you can click on create my landing page. You can see the company name is Irza Fatma IT Institute, company description. You can also like write contact details in your prompt. So I would build a modern, responsive, React-based marketing website for your IT institute. Okay, it would feature dedicated section to showcase your web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital media marketing services, along with a portfolio and contact form. Yes, and it is still loading the preview, so we need to wait for a few seconds. And here is the preview also, so we can wait. Let me pause the video once it complete, so I will resume it. So you can see it's completed, and here you can see Irza Fatma IT Institute, the logo, and here you can see the navigation including services, use cases, about, frequently asked questions, and contact. So here is the hero section. You can see elevate your digital presence with Irza Fatma IT Institute. Perfect. Your trusted partner for cutting-edge web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital media marketing solutions. Then trusted by some, clients' logos, we can set like comprehensive IT solutions for your business. You can see web development, graphic designing, everything is here. And transforming digital challenges into opportunities. You can see how, incredibly and how professionally they have developed, designed the page, landing page. If you click on about, so you can see it's going to about, frequently asked questions like what services, so everything is here. And contact with contact, details you can provide. And if you click on show editor, so it's showing you editor as well. See, so you can see index.html. This is the HTML, and here you can see complete things are here. You can see in the index.html, and here you can see this is frequently asked question page, so you can see modify it. App.css, this is cascading style sheet, this is JavaScript page, this is app.js. So the complete thing based on React, you can see everything is there. Header.js, header, and then footer also there, and hero.js, see this one. So everything is there, you can see. So you can control each and everything. This is trust.js and features.js. And for instance, here you can see, like, in the features.js, you can see here different things, like this is paragraph, like comprehensive IT solutions for your business. So if I want to change it, for example, let me change professional IT solutions for your business. See how easily we can modify the page as well. Everything is there. Frequently asked questions or JS is here, and it is, you can see below. If we go, so this is the frequently asked questions. So if you want to change the FAQs, for example, and everything is there, like you can see, find quick answers, and so this is the incredible thing. You can download files from here if you want, and you can see project files has been downloaded. If we see in the folder, so if we extract files, and here in the folder you can see all files are there, including app index.html and JavaScript files, CSS, this one CSS file, and cascading style sheet, and then public folder as well, index, then styles here, and then components, JavaScripts also there. So everything you can see. You can see history preview also here, you can see, and like the preview, how it will look, so you can back to generate button, for example. So you can see how it is looking. Back to generate button. So this is the incredible way. As I showed you that how easily, just by writing a simple prompt, we designed a landing page for our institute, that is Irza Fatma IT Institute. So for instance, if you have any business, any related to any category, just type the prompt and the landing page is ready. Just download the files and publish in your hosting server, cloud hosting, or anywhere you can publish. So this is the simple and incredible way and method to build professional, stunning landing pages without hiring any web developer and without spending, a lot of bucks on your web developer. So using this AI tool, you can build professional and perfect thing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.